Yesterday we discussed active voice and passive voice, that what is active voice and what is passive voice. Then we discussed its importance, like why do we use passive voice, what are the uses of passive voice. We discussed them in detail. Today we are talking of the 10 rules that if you want to change active voice into passive voice, so you must follow these rules. Taso ka active voice, passive voice is the goal word. Taso word she active voice the passive voice the usan si munga change ko lage da para 10 rules di para 10 rules ki jedi pehla rule da rahe. Rule number 1 da rahe, the subject occupies the place of object and object the subject. Now introduction as a pretty wise words matlab object occupies the place of subject. जो ये माची occupies मतलब subject बोल subject बची कम नहीं था बता object जेवनी सी और object चुदे आगा बता subject जेवनी सी लेकिन मुझे यूज़ दा active voice थे he takes tea he is मुझे बता कि subject थे takes चुदे दा मुझे verb थे और teach दे दा मुझे object थे नुमुक वेली दी ची subject बा the object zero large or object बचे दा subject zero large तो सुई तो बोले object subject दे he दे नो आगमा him तक convert करे दे like मतलब objective pronoun तो change करे दे और आबादत की लागले दे गया का शांति teach दे दा तो सर object दे दांगा the subject zero रावस्ते कम दे दा रावस्ते subject दाम सर new subject दे और दा तुम सर new object दे सर दे दा new object दे दा नो पहला रूल दारे चिता सुबह subject object जेला बुझे और object बताओ subject जेला बुझे लगे he takes tea ठीक शो tea is taken by him like the examples की मुगोरे an apple I ate an apple नुगोरे object में लगा से subject जेला में उससे an apple was eaten by me the I चिकम दे ना objective pronoun me तो change कर दे नो दा शान दे पहला रूल जो मुझे दाव जो subject बा the object जेला बुझू और object बा the subject जेला बिया rule number 2 दारे the next tense helping verb is used except present and past continuous tenses because their own helping verbs with an addition of being are used with an addition of being are used in passive voice. बला खबरदार अच्छी next tense helping verb बली लगा present continuous present definite tense थे नो present definite tense बस कब यो tense थे present continuous कब यो present continuous tense थे present indefinite थे पागे बस बया present continuous थे past indefinite बस कब यो दे past continuous थे और present perfect बस कब यो दे present perfect continuous थे नो दगा शांति चिदा कम next tense पसीवी दागागी helping verb बलेगी नकदा हम सर present definite tense से नो next tense बसे present continuous के इज़मार लेगी नो माते is रागस थे द तीसरा डेज की नो helping verb में is लगा ले दे दगा शांति I ate an apple द next tense चले next tense पसी द past indefinite tense थे पदी पसी next tense चले आगा past continuous tense थे नो दागे नमी was रागस थे आगे की was और were लगी बोले आसान खबर दा पदी रूल की रूल नंबर 2 सीरी दादा खबर है कि चिदा हेल्पिंग वर्ब मुंगा तो ये कम लगू कना दा मुंगा संग लगू हाउ टू यूज दिदा पारा यस दिदा पारा रूल दाले ची नेक्स्ट टेंस हेल्पिंग वर्ब इस्तेमाल की नेक्स्ट टेंस हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगा प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस थे प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस बस नेक्स्ट टेंस कम हो प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस थे दागे हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगा वे दाए he takes tea no tea is taken by him दगा शांति I ate an apple the past indefinite tense थे next tense पदे बस ये past continuous पागे is was were राजी no an apple was eaten by him या तो सीधा सुलभल एग्जांपल लग कमा ची he has played cricket तो उस दिन वो रे ऑब्जेक्ट पे रूल दारे ची ऑब्जेक्ट पर आजी सब्जेक्ट देला नो क्रिकेट बोली की मुंगवरी ची नेक्स्ट टेंस हेल्पिंग वर्ब दा वाज मुसला has the gidele present perfect tense te badi pasi be present perfect continuous te दी دلته به has been ولګي څه has been ولګي او third form of verb by him subject بنا اوسو object زیلا نو په دې خبره باندې ځان پوهه کې چې next is helping verb بلګي پیل رول باندې پوه شئ خو ما ویلي دي چې except علاوه the present continuous نا او the past continuous tense نه علاوه present continuous tense او past continuous tense کې چې کوم دی په دې کې به ځکه چې د دې کې به خپل helping verb لګي because their own helping verbs are used په دې کې خپل helping verb په کې use کیږي with an addition of being the being د اضافه سره د سره اضافه سره with an addition of being in passive voice کا the being د اضافه سره چې د being اضافه ورکیږي لکه ګورئ دا ست एग्जांपल درکوم then he is writing a letter he is writing a letter دا د present continuous tense ته کوم tense ته دا present continuous tense ته نو اوس چې کوم دی مونږه دا پیسیو وایس ته یوز کوو مونږ دلته کې په رولز کې ویلي دي کنه چې د present continuous tense او د past continuous tense خپل helping verb بلګي کوم بلګي خپل their own helping verbs are used د دې خپل helping verb بلګي نو لکه ګورئ a letter is مونږ ویلي چې د being د اضافه سره د سره اضافه سره خپل helping verb بلګي د being د اضافه سره is being written by him is being written by him نو تاسو دې باندې پوه شئ چې د present continuous او د past continuous tense با خپل helping verb لګي د being د اضافه سره فرض کړه زموږ سره د څه لیکل شوی او چې دا past continuous دی he was writing a letter نو واپس کوم دا a letter was being written by him خپل helping verb واپس لګي the being د اضافه سره د څه سره د being د اضافه سره په present continuous او past continuous tense کې چې د be forms دي کنه لکه first form دی is a mar دی او was were دی نو زموږ سره اور present participle form چې کوم دی کوم د چې موږ ing form وایو دا هو په present continuous کې په past continuous کې په future continuous کې present perfect continuous ټول کې یو شان دی هم دا یو لګي yes please No, the rule باندې پوه شئ چې څه questions دي let me exemplify it یو بل example درکوم دا they are beating the thief 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 اغه چې نو thief یې راګر کړي وਹੀ ٹھیک شو اوس دا پیسې وایي څه موږ څنګه چینج کو yes object پر اول subject دیتا the thief نا دا به دې په ځای موږ is لګو دا ازمار ولګو کنه the thief singular دته موږ is لګو اګه خپل helping verb دی خو is singular ولګو singular دا plural دی دا موږ ته کې singular ولګو the thief and the thief is being beaten by them the thief is being beaten by them no دیدو ګوره ما هغه ازمار خپل helping verb لګو دا tense او beating چې دی دا د سره ing فارم و دا ما past participle دا چینج کوی third form of verb دا می beaten دا می چینج ها yes rule number 3 چې دی دا مولي کو clear any question any doubts okay دې پسې بیا rule number 3 هم آسان دی هغه هم وایو rule number 3 دا دی only and only third form of verb is used in passive voice. Dita das noch mal modeli the past participle form of verb हुई सा ये past participle form of verb समूसर चले कल चूंगा passive voice से change करूँ तो असली दर लिखते हुए that its third form लिखले each and दर शक्ति नूर चिकम आवर change करला या for example he speaks English. Yeah, he spoke English. He spoke English. No देखी था सो बोले रचो सुंगा change को पैसे उतरो subject object पचार लावलू subject ज़ेला English बोली को बिया बसो बोलूँगा next tense helping verb बलगू सब बलगू next in the past indefinite tense te pati pasi vyasari yes was balagu past indefinite tense te nadi pasi past continuous ke was verb लिख देता हूँगा was उलगू जबरदस्त शाबाश was spoken तस्तमावी the rule number 3 की ची rule number 3 दे ची third form verb बलेगी सिर्फ और सिर्फ third form verb बलेगी speak spoke spoken English was spoken by him. No, daga shanti chi sumra rules di pehla ba step wise di da gore pehla mun sara subject te pasanens ki no subject ko hunga buzu object zela or object para walu subject zela dwem number rule da re chi next tense helping verb balegi lagaw da past indefinite tense te no ma past continuous pas next step da age helping verb was word di aga mera was to was nu lagaw bya rule number 3 da re chi only and only third form of verb is used और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट रूल्स चिकम दी बाकी अगवा सवाल वायु बल लेक्चर की थैंक यू